Do you want to make your voice sound like it's from another planet? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add an alien voice effect in CapCut Mobile using its built-in voice effect feature. Let's get started. First, open CapCut Mobile and either create a new project or open an existing one. Select the video you want to edit and make sure it contains voice recording or spoken audios since voice effects are applied to audio clips. On the timeline, tap the video with audio. Once selected, the audio editing option will appear at the bottom of the screen. Find for voice effect and tap it to open CapCut's collection of built-in voice filters. Browse through the available options, but also you can use the search bar to search for alien. Tap the alien to preview the effect.
Here goes. Doppler duplicate. Here goes. Doppler duplicate.
You will hear your voice transformed into futuristic, robotic, and otherworldly sound. When you're happy with the result, tap the checkmark to apply the effect. Now play your video to hear how alien voice effects sound with your visuals. And that's how you add an alien voice effect in CapCut Mobile. Edit beyond the earth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy editing. God bless you.